This is how to replace the absorber bush. Sorry, the spring bush. One side require 4 pieces. So both left and right you need 8 pieces. Okay. This is the good bush. Meanwhile, this one is the bad one, already damaged. Okay. You need to remove this bolt 1 and 2 and take off this one. Remove and take out the bad bush and replace with the good one, with the new one. Okay, insert the new bush with the yellow color to replace the bad one. Okay, one side we'll use 4 pieces of good bush. So left and right you will need 8 units in total. And tighten the bolt. That's all. Easy step to do this replacement. Okay, bye.